Hello there. My wife Sue and I recently had 6 cords of wood delivered in 8-foot lengths, and another 6 cords are on the way. My friend Noel in PEI at Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewood has mentioned a number of times how handy it is to have a Pickaroon when working with firewood, and he builds his own. So my plan today is to build one from a cheap hatchet I had in the trunk of the car for emergencies. This will be a fast and crude build just to see if this is a tool that will work for us. You will see when I start working on the Pickaroon. It's lightly raining and I'm just outside the garage. Because of this, my face shield keeps getting wet and fogging up. This causes some visibility issues and a minor mishap occurs. No harm done really, but a good reminder about being safe when using power tools. I'm going to cut that off, and I'm going to cut that off and hopefully make a Pickaroon out of this. And I love these. They're way stronger. Be careful because I don't want to cut into that. See that? It's coming. Yeah, I caught it and it tore it up. Yeah, my visibility isn't very good, so I screwed up. But I think that'll be alright. It's just in the rubbery stuff. Yeah, it's gonna be tough cutting here. It's gonna be tough. We'll try it. It's coming. I chewed that up a little bit, but that'll be okay. And I'll just make that sharp and clean it up. We'll see how it goes. And if I like it, I might even buy one. You see that? We'll see how that works. I'll give it a try anyway. Cost me nothing. And carry it around. I really like it. Way better than by hand. So far, so good. I think it was $3 at the dollar store. So if it doesn't hold up, well, it cost me nothing. And what did it take? 15 minutes to build? Noel, you were right. This is a great little tool. I think everyone should have one too. I'm going to build a longer one as well. Now that I know that I really like this tool, I'll spend some time working with this one to make it look a little better, and see what I can learn about proper Pickaroon geometry for my next build. If this video can help someone, that would be great. Thanks for watching, and take care.